So the Bank of Canada decided to drop interest rates once again. This is the second time in a row that they have elected to do a 0.25% drop. Now again, this is not going to make a dramatic difference financially, much like the drop in June. However, this could have a pretty significant effect on the overall market. Let's take a look at some data to find out why. Over the past 10 years, we've been through two fairly significant real estate cycles. The first one started in mid-2014. As the rates started to come down, prices saw a very significant increase. Those higher prices actually stuck around until early 2018, and that was after the Bank of Canada had already started to increase rates. By the end of 2018, the Bank of Canada overnight lending rate had stabilized at 2%, and it stuck that way for a couple of years. Within that time frame, prices actually did see their bottom, but they had started to come back up again once people got comfortable with the fact that, hey, this is just what rates are right now. And then of course, early 2020 came around and COVID happened. Now, everyone thought the market was going to explode, it was going to drop, prices were going to flatline. It was doom and gloom. But what actually happened? Well, as we know, interest rates dropped to near zero and prices absolutely skyrocketed. Now, yes, of course, there were some bumps and dips along the way, but generally speaking, prices were trending very aggressively in one direction. Prices hit their peak in about April 2022. That's when they hit the inflection point and the prices had started to go down. Interestingly, which is actually 1 month after the first Bank of Canada rate increase. Did prices come all the way back down to the pre-pandemic levels? Not at all. They bottomed in about January 2023 and have been on a reasonably steady increase since then, despite the fact that within that time frame, interest rates were still going up. Now, I don't have a crystal ball, but with interest rates starting to come down and historically seeing that every time they've come down, prices have gone up, what do we expect is going to happen this time?